AC Repair for Cleveland. We can fix your AC system. Call us now, and we will send our experienced technician out to help you. We can fix any type of AC system, from home to commercial. No job is too small. We have an experienced staff of certified HVAC technicians that can repair your AC and keep it working in these hot summer months. When you need AC repair in Cleveland or the surrounding suburbs, we are there for you with our 24-hour emergency service. We are experts in AC repair, and we are ready to help you. We have outstanding customer reviews on quality and pricing. Make the right choice and give us a call today. Call the number below and we will send someone out right now.